Now we move to the Predictions module within WizeMLOps. This section is specifically designed to test the machine learning models that were trained during the experiment creation stage against new or selected datasets. To create a prediction, we select Add Prediction. The workflow displayed here shows the steps performed by the platform. First, the user selects an experiment. Next, the user selects one of the models trained as part of that experiment. After selecting the model, a data source can be provided so that the user can evaluate how the selected model performs against that dataset. Moving to the next step, we can see the list of experiments that have already been trained. When I select an experiment, the left side panel displays relevant information about the performance of that experiment. The next step is model selection. Here we can see the list of machine learning models that were trained for the selected problem type during experiment creation. For example, for a regression problem, the platform may train models such as LightGBM, random forest, and other supported regression algorithms. The user can select whichever model they want to use for prediction. The experiment report available in the left panel also helps users identify which model performed best during the previous experiment. This information can therefore be used to make a more informed model selection. After selecting the model, the next step is choosing the data source that should be evaluated against that model. The selected dataset will be processed using the model chosen in the previous step. The prediction process generates its results in a tabular format. WizeMLOps therefore provides users with the option to write those prediction results directly into a configured database. If the user wants the generated prediction output to be stored within a database, they can configure the destination from this page. If database storage is not required, this step can simply be skipped, which is what we will do for this demonstration. After skipping the database output configuration, we reach the final step, where we provide an appropriate name for the prediction. Once the name is provided and we click Finish, prediction processing begins in the backend. We can also see that a new entry has been added to the predictions table for this particular prediction job. As discussed earlier, the selected dataset is processed against the model chosen during prediction creation. The final result is generated in tabular format and can be downloaded by the user. For example, when I click Download, a prediction CSV file is generated and downloaded. If the user wants to review the results directly within WizeMLOps instead, they can simply click the View option. The platform then loads a dedicated dashboard for the selected prediction. This dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of the prediction results. For example, users can see the number of samples, average predicted value, and prediction range. Additional statistical information is also available within this dashboard. As we scroll further, we can view additional visualizations and information, such as the prediction distribution and prediction details. If the user wants to inspect the complete tabular output, they can select the Data Table option. This displays the full dataset that was provided to the model for prediction. In addition to the original dataset columns, a new prediction column is added to the table. This column contains the values predicted by the selected machine learning model. Users can download the resulting CSV either from this screen or through the download option available on the main predictions page. So this covers the predictions module of WizeMLOps. The module enables users to select a previously trained model, evaluate it against a selected dataset, review detailed prediction analytics, and export the resulting prediction data. Thank you for watching.